Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everyone, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly shorter term time frame. So we ended up closing with an indecision doji. Doesn't really favor the bulls nor the bears. We had a higher high and a lower low. Much bigger trading range than we saw yesterday, but we're still in this channel between the middle Bollinger Band daily support and the upper Bollinger Band resistance. We can see that upper Bollinger Band is beginning to ascend a little bit, but it's very slow at this point. So the all-time high is up at 227.75. We're always just one bullish day away from a new all-time high where we currently stand, but we saw some profit taking towards the end of the day and a little bit of weakness. So we'll check on the shorter term time frames, what we're going to be looking at here heading into tomorrow. Weekly time frame, exponential moving averages holding, certainly a very strong looking weekly chart, but in terms of this week compared to last week, not much going on, just a little consolidation week, and not much to see there in terms of support and resistance levels. That's all on the daily time frame. So on the shorter term time frames, the SPY bulls were out in force first thing. Well, I shouldn't say first thing because we pulled back first thing. Look at this 20 period 5-minute resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. It became support, and then the bulls showed up. We rejected from the 200 period 5-minute, a little bit of a bull flag, continuation, and then a nice strong move to the upside. But we did see profit taking at just before, or I should say just after noon. Some pullback, a little bit of a bear flag, and then a dump on some increasing bear volume. A little bit of a recovery for the bulls, but that recovery was short-lived as we closed down near the low of the day at the end of the day. So looking at the hourly time frame, the low of today bounced just above the 100 period hourly moving average support. That's going to be a key support that we watch tomorrow morning, and it's going to be in the low to mid 226s, so we'll see if that level is still holding as support. And because we went back and forth with this 20 period multiple times at the end of the day, I'm not putting as much weight into that level. I will put more weight into a moving average if I see it consistently acting as support or resistance, but when you're going back and forth, we know to stop focusing on that moving average and shift our sights here to the 100 period. If that's lost, 225.68 is the 200 period hourly support, and the middle Bollinger Band on the daily is 225.61. So that daily middle Bollinger Band is going to be right around the 200 hour moving average support, and that will be a key level if the bears stay in control of the short term for the rest of the week. Checking on the 5-day, we had that bull break, and we're still consolidating, now a lower high from that bull break, but still maintaining higher lows. So the range is still tightening with our high and then our lower high, and looking at a low back here and a higher low. So still some indecision as we trade in that tight channel on the daily time frame. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. If we don't close above or below the middle Bollinger Band or upper Bollinger Band, we're just going to trade in this channel, and that's fine with the bulls because it is the bullish Bollinger Band channel, and it's really just a sideways consolidation, which after the move we've seen since the election would favor the bulls as being healthy. So I appreciate you watching, and we will see you tomorrow.